Hello friends, today's topic bull and bear phase durations in the past. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. After the major crash in markets due to corona in February and March 2020, the current bull market started from April 2020. It has been going on for almost 4.5 years. Many new investors who have only heard about bear markets have not experienced it are the opinion that since there is a huge increase in retail investors entering markets, bear market may not come at all this time. However, even in the past bull market rallies, large number of retail investors entered the markets at that time and later a good percentage of them exited when there was a correction. We need to see what happened this time. However, in this video, we are only presenting the statistics of previous bull and bear markets. Sensex bull and bear market phases. 1980 to 1986, percentage change 456% up, duration 6 years and 2 months. 1986 to 1988, minus 41%, duration 1 year and 10 months. 1988 to 1990, percentage change 300% up, duration 2 years and 6 months. 1990 minus 39% only in 4 months. 1990 to 1992, 367% up, 1 year 3 months. 1992 to 1993, minus 54%, 1 year. 1993 to 1994, 127% up, 1 year, 5 months. 1994 to 1996, minus 41%, duration 2 years and 3 months. 1996 to 1997, percentage change plus 66%, 8 months. 1997 to 1998, minus 29%, duration 6 months. 1998 to 2000, plus 108%, 1 year, 3 months. 2002 to 2002, bear phase, minus 56%, 1 year, 7 months. 2002 plus 43%, that is bull phase, 5 months. 2002 minus 24%, and that is bear phase, duration 8 months. 2002 to 2004, 119% up, 1 year, 3 months. 2004 minus 27%, 4 months. 2004 to 2006, 180% up, 2 years. 2006 minus 29%, that is bear phase, in only 1 month. 2006 to 2008 plus 134%, 1 year, 7 months. 2008 to 2009 minus 61%, 1 year, 2 months. 2009 to 2010 plus 157%, 1 year, 8 months. 2010 to 2011 minus 28%, 1 year and 2 months. 2011 to 2015, bull phase plus 96%, 3 years and 1 month. 2015 to 2016, and that is bear phase, minus 23%, 1 year, 1 month. 2016 to 2020, plus 83%, 3 years, 11 months. 2020, corona crash, and that bear phase, minus 38% in only 2 months. 2020 to 2024, 204%, 4 years and 5 months. History has shown that after every major rally, the markets have faced a correction for some time. Usually, the bull phase is longer than the bear phase. However, the bear phase results in significant fall in a short period. In fact, a bear phase makes the next rally possible since stock prices become cheap and results in markets becoming attractive for investors and vice versa. At the end of the video, here is the question. Do you remember what was the level of Nifty when you started investing in stocks or mutual funds? Type the Nifty level in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.